Jody from Bird Dog Overland. Just want to welcome you guys to another quick video we did. Today we did an installation on the Oracle spare tire ring. So reasons why we wanted to do this is because, as most of you all may know from following me on Instagram, that we did buy the JCR Spare Tire rat kit. Unfortunately, when I did the hammer built tailgate reinforcement, I used the brake light razor, so it raised it up so high that I have to put the spare tire setting as high as it goes, which is just looks really weird on 37-inch tires on the Bronco, and it's really high to where I can't hardly reach it. So what I did now is that we took that relocation bracket off of the hammer built, and it lowers the factory rear brake light right up against the top of the back tire. So I don't think it'll be a big issue for the spare tire bracket. And we'll go to install that and test it out later. But I wanted to put it that way, try that first before I totally eliminate the rear factory brake light. So we're going to try that first. But also too, whenever I'm using a spare tire rack, storage rack, I want to make sure that I do have some kind of brake light functions for people behind me can see me. The last thing I want to do is get rear-ended when I'm going down the freeway on a trip or driving across country. So we went to our friends at Sticker Fab, ordered one of the Oracle lighting spare tire rings, so to speak, on Sticker Fab. There'll be a link below. We are an affiliate of theirs, so if you do purchase yours through them, we will get a teeny tiny commission for it. Not a lot, but a little bit, and every little bit counts, right? Also, we have a discount code, BirdDog05, gives you a 5% discount. I think they have a sale on it, so you may not be able to use the discount code in conjunction with the sale. But if not, please try to use it and see if it works. But anyway, so I want to put this quick video together for you guys. Hope you guys like. Hope you guys subscribe, follow us, get the notification bell. Also, too, while you're on here, I want to point out this new poster I got from our friends at Auto Illusions. If you're on my Instagram, you'll see this. There's a bunch of well-known Bronco drivers on here. You have the Bronco Nation up there, Allie DuBois, our friend Allie DuBois over at the Michigan Bronco Club. I've met her a couple times. She's a real nice lady. Shelby Hall Off-Road. Franco Bronco, who's a big inspiration for me. Myself, I'm down here at the bottom. So anyway, definitely worth the money to have them do an illustration, and they'll put you on a poster with a bunch of other Bronco people. So it's a good collector's item, good thing to put in your office, den, or something, or just in your garage. So anyway, I want to point that out to you guys. Anyway, see you down the road.
All right, so we got the ring put on. You know, these things don't fit perfectly. They have to bend. The hardest one is the top one, because if you just put it flat, this holds up above that. So you got to push it down and do it first. I drilled a small hole and started here, and then went to the second one's next. And I put the orientation, that up top, just snaked up through here. I do plan on trying to keep the stock brake light. I'm just going to take the relocation off. So I carefully uncovered the wires here and here. So, and I got some cloth electric tape I bought off Amazon. I put a link to that too. I'm gonna wrap this all up really good to try to keep it from getting corroded, especially in Chicago winters. And then I'll put all this back together and we'll be done. All right, so it's all done. With these particular wheels, it doesn't show up a great amount, but it's there. So take that for what it's worth if you're considering getting the Fuel Zephyr wheels. They do have quite a bit of middle, so you can see it somewhat, but not quite as prominent as you could a normal brake light, or maybe some of the other aftermarket wheels that the Broncos use. So just thought I'd throw that out there in case anybody wonders.